Apple is once again in the spotlight with the iPhone 17 series, and this time the buzz is all about the design changes. Leaks and dummy models have surfaced online, giving us a glimpse of what Apple might be planning. These changes have already sparked discussions among tech enthusiasts, with some eager to see something new while others remain skeptical about Apple's design choices. According to the latest leaks, Apple is introducing 4 models: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Interestingly, the Plus variant seems to be missing this time, with Apple reportedly replacing it with the Air model. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, measuring just 5.5 millimeters in thickness. This makes it a lightweight option compared to the standard iPhone 17, appealing to those who prefer a more compact and sleek device. Looking at the leaked dummy models, the standard iPhone 17 doesn't seem to have major design changes compared to its predecessor. However, the iPhone 17 Air appears to be taking a different approach. It is expected to feature a single rear camera, somewhat similar to the iPhone 16e. What stands out is the redesigned camera module, which now stretches horizontally across the back, reminding some people of Google's Pixel lineup. The most significant design shift, however, seems to be happening with the Pro models. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are rumored to feature an edge-to-edge camera housing. While they will continue to have a triple camera setup, the module's size and shape appear to be quite different. This change has led to mixed reactions, with some excited about Apple trying something new, while others question whether this redesign is truly an improvement in terms of usability and aesthetics. Despite these leaks, it's important to remember that nothing is confirmed yet. Apple may still tweak the design before the final release, so the official models could look slightly different when they are unveiled later this year. Beyond the design, there are also some interesting hardware upgrades expected. One of the biggest changes could be in the front camera. Apple has been using a 12-megapixel selfie camera for several years, but reports suggest that the iPhone 17 series will introduce a 24-megapixel sensor. This would likely result in sharper selfies, better low-light performance, and improved video quality for FaceTime and social media. The Pro models are also expected to receive a significant upgrade to their rear cameras. Last year's improvements focused on the ultra-wide lens, but this time, the telephoto camera is rumored to be the main highlight. Some reports indicate that the current 12-megapixel telephoto lens could be replaced with a 48-megapixel periscope camera. If true, this could enable 8K video recording, making the Pro models even more appealing for content creators and mobile videographers. On the performance side, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to be powered by the new A19 Pro chip, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This upgrade could enhance AI-driven features, boost efficiency, and provide a faster overall experience for users. As for the official launch, Apple is expected to reveal the iPhone 17 series in September. With several months to go before the announcement, more leaks and rumors are likely to surface, giving us an even clearer picture of what's coming. The iPhone 17 series brings bold design changes and hardware upgrades. While opinions may be divided, the improved cameras and performance could make it a strong choice for those seeking a more powerful device. The big question is whether users will embrace the new look or stick with the familiar style. What are your thoughts on the new design? Do you think Apple is making the right move, or do you prefer the current look? Share your opinions in the comments. And if you found this update interesting, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Google has taken an unusual step with the launch of the Pixel 9a. While the phone was officially announced today, the company has decided not to open pre-orders right away. This move is unexpected since Google usually starts taking orders as soon as a new device is revealed. According to a statement given to The Verge, the delay is due to a component quality issue that is affecting a small number of units. While Google claims the problem is minor, other signs suggest that the issue might be more significant than they are letting on. One of the biggest red flags is that Google has not sent out review units to tech journalists. Typically, major smartphone brands provide early access to reviewers so they can test the device and share their thoughts before the official release. The absence of these early reviews raises concerns that Google may be dealing with a more serious hardware defect and wants to fix the issue before exposing the phone to public scrutiny. This isn't the first time Google has faced hardware issues with its Pixel lineup. Many past models have experienced technical problems at launch, sometimes requiring software patches or even hardware replacements. The Pixel 2, for example, had microphone issues that caused audio to drop during phone calls, and some units suffered from screen burn-in, where faint images remained on the display. The Pixel 3 series had its own set of problems, including buzzing sounds, flickering screens, and a strange bug that prevented the other person on a call from hearing the Pixel user. Even the Pixel 4 had its fair share of issues, such as a popping sound during video playback. These recurring problems led to class action lawsuits and damaged the Pixel brand's reputation. Over the past few years, Google has worked to improve its hardware reliability, and recent Pixel devices have launched with fewer major issues. This makes the decision to delay the Pixel 9a seem like a cautious and strategic move. Rather than risking another wave of customer complaints or potential recalls, Google appears to be taking extra time to address the issue before making the phone widely available. While this delay may frustrate eager buyers, it could ultimately prevent the hassle of dealing with defective devices that require repairs or replacements. Google has not revealed exactly which component is causing the problem or how long it will take to fix. If the issue is truly minor and limited to a small number of units, the Pixel 9a could still be released within a few weeks. However, if the problem is more widespread, the delay could extend further, leaving potential buyers uncertain about when they will be able to get their hands on the phone. For those who are looking forward to upgrading to the Pixel 9a, this situation might be disappointing. However, waiting a little longer for a well-functioning device is far better than rushing to buy a phone that could have major flaws. Google's decision to postpone pre-orders also suggests that the company is trying to be more transparent and avoid the kinds of issues that have hurt previous Pixel launches. It remains to be seen how Google will handle this situation in the coming days. If the company can quickly resolve the issue and ensure the Pixel 9 meets quality standards, it could still have a strong launch. But if the delay stretches on without clear communication, it could create uncertainty among buyers and give competitors an opportunity to attract customers looking for a reliable mid-range phone. For now, all we can do is wait for further updates from Google. If you are planning to buy the Pixel 9a, this delay might be frustrating, but it's likely for the best. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think Google is making the right decision, or should they have handled it differently? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More updates are coming soon. See you in the next video. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed.